Don't burn my face.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Recording.
Here we go.
Fire in the hole!
Desert rain, the rarest of all phenomena, here in Joshua Tree National Park, March 2012. The fragrance is what captivates all of us. Desert sage and dusty granite, wet with the large raindrops.
We got a big rock to go over.
Hello.
Yeah, it's coming down.
Yes, it is.
Oh, dude, it's coming down.
What say?
Oh, say ye is that there's no way around it. We just got to put the left tires right on it and go right over it.
Yeah, it looks easy enough.
Just now it's all wet and slippery. So I'm going to jog left to get a good angle. Gauging off that sagebrush. And jog right. And get my head wet. Where's that rock?
You're right on the wall here.
Yep. By design.
Yeah.
Up the rock.
Okay, nice. Nice. Maybe. There. Woo! Woo-hoo!
If you looked left, it was straight down the cliff, which is why I kind of went for it.
Very nice. Got a long way.
Dude. And you said I get the ball.
Keep rolling.
I got pictures of both of you with the rock in midair.
Awesome sauce. Okay, you ready, dude?
Yep.
Fire in the hole! Literally!
Here we go.
It is hard to close, isn't it?
Where are we, sir?
I'm pretty sure we're somewhere half lost in Joshua Tree.
Totally raining in Joshua Tree, and here we are in the middle of nowhere. BLM territory adjacent to Joshua Tree. And there's Steve getting very wet, shooting a beautiful, I might add, red cactus. Here, let's roll the window down briefly.
Beautiful red spine green cactus. Gorgeous.
Say hi, Steve.
What's that?
Say hi.
Hello. How goes it? It's wet out here. It smells lovely.